I was a steel worker. The company decided to close the plant here in Spokane, and there really wasn't a lot of good machine type work jobs out there. So I decided to go back to school and retrain. I'm Travis. I'm a 5th quarter student here at SCC in the machining program. Working with the equipment is really, really cool. You get to do a lot of projects. I mean, I know they call it a CNC machining program, but the conventional lathes and mills are real fun to play with.
One of the neat things about our trade is I think you could work your whole life and not see it all or do it all. So there's a lot of variety, there's a lot of different levels of complexity and skill required.
A machining degree sets you above everybody else. And I think that's something employers look for. They don't want just someone who can come push a button. They have to be fluent in other areas, and the school provides that.
It's from the very basics of how do you shear metal to how you make a machine perform functions with code. So it's a wide variety of technology.
Earning this degree, I'm never going to be without a job ever again. I'll always be able to find employment. Feels good. Stability is a great thing, especially when you get into your 40s. I would say this program is for anyone, no matter what age you are, no matter what stage of life you're in. If you're up for the challenge and you want to improve your standing, this program is the place for you.